binuhusan namin yan.
Yes.
And yet, sa Secretary, and yet, this year compared to last year, 2023 compared to 2022, bumaba pa. So, yes,
President, if I may, we were able to disperse animals since 2023 when we were
Wala kang pahinga, tol. Dire-diretso.
additional
Dire-diretso ka.
we were able to distribute
Dire-diretso ka, tol.
4,648 buffaloes from the Carabao-based improvement network na project ko.
Nakakain ka naman ng tanghalian.
To get pregnant immediately.
Kahit gabihan, hindi pa.
But the effect has been manifesting already as of the PSA data, September, partial release po, preliminary data. If I may, Mr. President, for 2024, as of September 30, there has been registered increase in dairy population for buffalo by 81,000.
Hanggang ano oras ba tayo ngayon? Alas 2 ulit?
This is already telling us that with an increase
Ilan pa ba tayo? Ilan? Ombudsman, tsaka...
mag-i-increase po yung daily
Okay.
population. And this is a very clear effect of the additional fund that we were provided in 2019 and giving good results starting 2020.
Pangalawang linggo na to.
So,
Pangalawang linggo.
sige po, can you just give us na lang yung request?
Puyatan.
Sige, give me the data ng
Oo.
mga milk production and explain the ups and the downs. And then paki-elaborate na lang yung monitoring something, yung 55% because di ko maintindihan how come milk production is too dependent on monitoring. So anyway, in your written submission na lang po.
Mayor.
Thank you. At any rate, ang good news naman is hindi naman yata kayo
Sipag yan, napakasipag yan. Yan ang mga sipag, masisipag dito.
Wala, hindi binawasan.
Si Ma'am Nancy, hindi din na-absent yan.
Is the NEP level. Tama po ba yun? Sige ma'am, thank you very much.
thank you, Mr. President.
Then we now go to the Coconut Authority.
May we ask the representative to take his seat? You may proceed, Minority Leader.
Sir, may you have your name, sir, and then your position with the PCA?
Mr. President, I am Dexter Bute, relatively new as the administrator of the Philippine Coconut Authority.
But you have your people with you, no? Those who have institutional memory, those who have
Yes.
records, kasama niyo po. Sige po, your budget level in the COM report is more than 1 billion pesos. But then, your performance, your budget for this year, 2024, more than 1 billion pesos, then 1.175 billion pesos. But then your performance percentage
Assalamualaikum,
rating
Kuya
for
Popong,
this
J.
year
Magic.
so far is a measly
Krishna Joy Kibo.
24%.
IJ
May
Anim.
we get the explanation from our
Hamode
head
M. Mukalam,
of the BCA?
Abdul Malik,
Mr.
Mel
President,
Damdaman,
for correction, the 24%
Chris
is
Azol.
under the Coconut Farmers Industrial Development Plan or industry trust
Oo, yung DNR.
under the 11
Marami din akong tanong sa DNR, boss.
which we have a total release budget coming from the Bureau of Treasury, 7.37 billion. And out of the 24%, dispersed is 1.87 billion.
Di ba maliit yun?
That's comprised the 24%. Yeah, this is brought
What
about.
is,
Gay,
what are the, what
Alcazar,
is that 7
Sima,
billion supposed to do?
Alan, Bacamante Sr.,
To give you a
Randy
background
Mendoza,
about the trust fund under the
Liam
11
Sachi,
budget report, Mr. President,
Nick
we have 15
March
implementing
Barcelona,
agencies come together,
Raisa, Macadapo,
given the
Manso,
budget coming from the Bureau
Ronnie
of Treasury
Tarulo,
to
Rebano,
implement the Coconut Farmers
Muhammad Ali,
Industry
Sulaiman,
Development Fund. We would like to
Maswa.
stress that we are working
Muhammad
with 50
Ali Bashir
implementing
Jr.,
agencies,
Puro
and I would like to
Salman
bring to this
Talon
August
Puro,
body why we have
Jeffrey
only
Lim,
24%
Dato Ali
disbursed for this year at this
Chua
point in time
Martinez,
as of October 31,
Grace
2024.
Barcier,
Number
Bobby
one,
Padilla Garcia,
we have a relative view, a significant below utility rate. Let's say, for example, coming from the Cooperative Development and Organization, the CDA, which is only 19%. From the research